Hi, my name is Matt Schwall. I'm the Director of Business Development for Liburdi Dimetrics Corporation. We started in 1967 under the name Dimetrics. And Dimetrics was a pioneer of orbital tube and pipe welding systems, later being bought by Liburdi, Joe Liburdi, and incorporated into the Liburdi group of companies. Since then, we've been a world leader in welding technology. We offer a full range of service as an OEM. We're an internationally recognized company. We have a worldwide distributor network, and we offer a lot of services, including rental equipment sales, turnkey on-site welding services where we take our orbital welding equipment and our technologies and our welders and go on the field and perform these welding services. And we also offer a full range of custom engineered welding solutions for one-of-a-kind off situations for the nuclear, oil and gas, food and beverage, etc. What we're looking at right now is actually our FireView vision console. So this is a leading and trailing cameras. This is fully touchscreen. You're able to do all of your steering, AVC, oscillation, wire positioning, all that stuff is done on the fly from this touchscreen screen here. And the GoldTrack 6 power supply here on the bottom, this is our latest model. It's a multi-process unit. This will do GTAW, GMAW, flux core welding, plasma, and hot wire. So it's a full range multi-process power supply. Everything here is all touchscreen. It has a built-in data logging software, so it'll allow you to actually see all your data logs and all your values in real time for your welding. So it's a really sophisticated machine. One of the cool things too, we're also highlighting is back here. This is our V-head. So the V-head is a fully adaptive using artificial intelligence. So the way we're doing that is actually using a profilometer here. This is actually allowing us to make in-time position feedback, so it's doing center steering. It also has the cameras, so you're seeing your leading and trailing images of your weld pool are doing. And this is allowing you to actually take the data that's getting fed back from the key-in sensor, from the cameras, and actually make artificial intelligence decisions. So it's a really cool technology. Obviously, I know a lot of people at Fabtech here, the main reason for automation is the lack of certified welders. So the AWS is saying right now that by 2024, they're estimating a shortage of 400,000 welders. So the need for this type of equipment and this type of automation is really coming into play. So if we walk over here, I'll show you a couple more of our standard product items. So we have a head here. This is a K head. So this is our flux core and MIG head here. So this runs 360 degrees around a track ring, or it can run straight linear rails. So it can go down straight lines, do seams and things like that. We also have a M head here. We have a couple different sizes of our heads here, but this runs, again, 360 degrees around the pipe. So your pipe and your assemblies are remaining stationary, and this is running around that assembly and welding those together. This has the ability to also pitch out and do socket welds, fillet welds, and other things. So really adaptable, awesome head. And then this last one here is really cool. This is the J head. So this is a very low profile head. If you look between here, it's very tight radial clearance. So for doing things like boiler tubes and other things, it's very adaptable and can get into very tight constrained areas. So this only runs with a half-pound spool on here, but it can also be put with a larger 2-pound spool. And it also has attachments to do socket welds, fillet welds, and a bunch of other things. Thank you, guys.